So we've talked on it briefly before, but micro lectures are short, mini lessons that students have access to anywhere that they can have access to the internet. Sometimes students can download so they have them if they don't have the access as well. For example, YouTube. That's where I upload a lot of mine to. And it's really easy, and you have a YouTube account through your Gladstone email address. So, the basic thing is that they are short. 5 minutes should be the max. One concept that you're covering. One concept should be covered at a time. You don't want to put 3 or 4 different examples or parts in one, because you're going to lose your students' interest very quickly. And students shouldn't be overwhelmed with too many concepts at once. They should be simple and to the point. Micro lectures actually have many possible uses. They can be used as an introduction to an upcoming science lab. That's one of my subjects that I teach. So they know exactly what's expected before they begin. You could show them what the lab is going to be, go through it, or you can just show them the pre-lab that's expected. They can also be used for prep before an assignment. Like in math, I use it for my lesson before I actually do the work with the students. And they can also be used as a guide before a test. Now, I did this with my Chapter 2 math test. I created a review online where I did a few sample problems for students to see, explained what they needed to know, and the students said that it actually helped them feel more prepared for the test before they came in to take it. It's something that students can watch and use as an online study guide. Basically, we're giving students the opportunity to have the help from the teacher at home when we can't be there. It's also reinforcement of the big picture. That's what we're looking for from a micro lecture. If at first you don't succeed, everything is new for the first time. There's always going to be a first time, and it's probably going to be frustrating. No matter what you try, there's always an option that you might fail. But when we're teaching, don't we instill in our students that it's okay to fail, and it only makes them stronger in the long run? The same concept should be applied here. When using technology, it's a trial and error. It's a process that no two things are going to work the same for different teachers. Technology will fail you. It's about learning how to work around it and troubleshoot. No matter what you try again. Just like Tucker says in the article, Basics of Blended Learning, I was told at a technology conference that you are much better in tackling up one project rather than many. A McCall conference that we had up in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, explained that. Learn one piece of technology and learn that one well. Concentrate on one. Maybe you just concentrate on it for the first semester, or maybe it's 1 year. But learn to do one thing well, and then learning that one concept well will help you when you're expanding out and trying to do new things. If you try to learn 5 different online programs that are new to you in the first time, all at once, you're going to feel overwhelmed, and you're going to feel defeated, and most likely, you're not going to want to try to use them again. You're setting yourself up for failure. Not only is it frustrating you, but think about the student. When you're trying to use technology that you don't fully know yourself, it's frustrating for the student as well. And the whole concept is we're trying to get everybody to be successful. Okay, that's done.